Okay, we got the SU-57 back out. John helping me launch this time.
First hand launch with this one.
Yes, sir. Well, no, third. Hey, yeah. All right, you ready? I'm gonna start powering up.
Okay, yeah.
3, 2. Oh, okay. Well, I wasn't ready for him. Okay, hold on. All right, good. It worked. All right.
It looks very scale too.
Yeah, the SU-57 Felon. I was flying with the 2200, SMC 2200 for us. Yep. I just need a 1/4 ounce of lead weight to get the CG. Yeah, there's no problem doing the inverted.
I like the sound of those twin EBS.
Little twin 40s. Ooh. Yeah.
Very lightweight too.
Yeah, it is. I'm glad it's calm now. There's not much wind right now. Whoop. Whoop. Okay.
1 minute and 5 seconds.
Come back the other way.
Middle rates.
Let's drop the middle rates actually.
We're getting just over 3 minutes.
Yeah, I got the timer set to 3:15. So no voltage checker in this one. It's just a simple little 4-channel. Yeah.
Timer 1 up.
Timer 1 up. Okay, landing from the left. Let's come back and land.
High rates.
Let's jump to high rates.
Very floaty.
Yeah, oh, come back this way.
Wow, it slows right down.
Hey, yo, thank you. Thank you. Good flight.